Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English channel. Today we are going to study 35 daily activities for students. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Saya bangun pada jam 5.
I wake up at 5 o'clock. I wake up at 5 o'clock.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya bangun tidur pada jam 5.10.
I get up at 5:10. I get up at 5:10.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya merapikan tempat tidurku.
I make my bed. I make my bed.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya pergi ke kamar mandi.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mandi.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mencuci rambutku.
I wash my hair. I wash my hair.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya menggosok gigiku.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengeringkan badanku.
I dry my body. I dry my body.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya beribadah di pagi hari.
I pray in the morning. I pray in the morning.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya membuat sarapan.
I make breakfast. I make breakfast.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya makan pagi.
I have breakfast. I have breakfast.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengenakan seragam sekolahku.
I put on my school uniform. I put on my school uniform.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengenakan sepatuku.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya pergi ke sekolah dengan sepeda motor.
I go to school by motorbike. I go to school by motorbike.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya tiba di sekolahku.
I arrive at my school. I arrive at my school.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mulai belajar pada jam 8.
I start studying at 8 o'clock. I start studying at 8 o'clock.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya beristirahat pada jam 9.30.
I have a break at 9:30. I have a break at 9:30.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya makan siang pada jam 12.
I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya meminjam buku dari perpustakaan.
I borrow books from the library. I borrow books from the library.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengembalikan buku ke perpustakaan.
I return books to the library. I return books to the library.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengerjakan banyak tugas di sekolah.
I do a lot of tasks at school. I do a lot of tasks at school.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya belajar di sekolah hingga jam 2.
I study at school until 2 o'clock. I study at school until 2 o'clock.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya pulang pada jam 2.
I go home at 2 o'clock. I go home at 2 o'clock.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya tidur siang setelah ganti pakaianku.
I take a nap after changing my clothes. I take a nap after changing my clothes.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengerjakan PR-ku di sore hari.
I do my homework in the afternoon. I do my homework in the afternoon.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mengetik laporan saya.
I type up my report. I type up my report.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya membuat video untuk tugas sekolahku.
I make a video for my school task. I make a video for my school task.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya kadang-kadang kerja kelompok.
I sometimes do group work. I sometimes do group work.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya makan malam pada jam 7.
I have dinner at 7 o'clock. I have dinner at 7 o'clock.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya menyiapkan buku sekolahku.
I prepare my school books. I prepare my school books.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya membaca buku sekolahku.
I read my school books. I read my school books.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya bermain game di HP-ku sebelum tidur.
I play games on my mobile phone before going to bed. I play games on my mobile phone before going to bed.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya menonton video di HP-ku sebelum tidur.
I watch videos on my mobile phone before going to bed. I watch videos on my mobile phone before going to bed.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya mencuci wajahku dan menggosok gigiku.
I wash my face and brush my teeth. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Saya pergi tidur pada jam 9.30.
I go to bed at 9:30. I go to bed at 9:30.
Silakan ikuti.
Good job.
Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.